History class taught us about the Industrial Revolution, when steam power changed how things were manufactured. But there hasn't been just one industrial revolution. The manufacturing industry has reinvented itself many times. The first industrial revolution is the familiar one. Beginning in the late 18th century, manufacturers used steam engines and hydraulic power in factories to make production more efficient. The second revolution began in the late 19th century, when electricity and assembly lines made mass production possible. The third took off in the 60s, when advances in computing enabled us to program machines and networks. Today, we're at the beginning of a fourth industrial revolution. Industry 4.0 is about connecting the digital and physical worlds. Today, most manufacturers' key assets are a part of the physical world. The workers, machines, tools, and inventories that drive both the production process and the end product that customers use every day. But emerging technologies allow manufacturers to use data produced by these physical assets to drive insights based on data. These technologies will enable the construction of new solutions to some of the oldest and toughest challenges manufacturers face in growing and operating their businesses. Eliminating unplanned downtime in the factory. Ensuring you never start work on the production floor that can't be finished with the material, labor, and machines you have on hand. Tripling the leverage you get from costly support labor and specialized tech talent. Changing the dynamics of your channel and creating new sources of revenue. Enabling your products to sell services for you. Growing your data business as big as your product business. Using customer and channel connectivity to achieve unprecedented levels of customer service. And the changes for the industry as a whole will be even broader, as broad as we've seen in past revolutions. Industry 4.0 will change the basis of competition, alter how manufacturers win customers, shake up the structure of the manufacturing industry, and give you the opportunity to make history.